ELA8, 1116, what real-life topics do I like? Hello, writers. Welcome back. If you like to hear directions, please watch the video. Thank you for watching. How are you? Take 3 breaths. In with a good, out with a bad. Where are you on the compass? Ignite for a review of quarter 1 and a preview of quarter 2. What real-world topics interest you? Chunk chew on it, review, sentence starter. I am like, because one of the problems I have faced is, this is I like, because one of the problems I have faced is, most stories have a problem, so it is good practice to identify a problem. There should be 3 or more sentences. 4, 3+ sentences in a problem. This is the rubric. 3, 2 sentences in a problem. 2, 1 sentence in a problem. 1 sentence, no problem. 0, no attempt. Write routinely over extended time frames. Time for research, reflection, and revision in shorter time frames. A single day or a day or 2 for a range of discipline-specific tasks, purposes, and audiences. Have a great day. Bye-bye.